Do you need to do a routine checkup on your heating and cooling system? Well, don't hesitate. Delaying can result in equipment failure, and that could leave your family without heat in the winter or AC in the summer. Regular maintenance is the key and can also prevent more serious dangers like potential fires. Our technicians are licensed and insured. We can service or replace any HVAC system. Call us today to schedule an appointment.